This is Lee with USA Roofing, and we're in the middle of an install, and we're putting on Mr. Hunter's roof. I'm here right now with Mr. Hunter.
Hi there.
And Mr. Hunter's here in Decatur, and I was just going to talk to him a little bit about our process, but first tell him a little bit about your background.
I worked for 30 years for the Decatur Police Department. I retired back in 2013 as a supervisor in the traffic division. Now I do some small engine repair work at home. We had a bad windstorm come through one day last week and blew off a whole bunch of my shingles. And we were standing around looking for roofing companies, and my wife said that there's this company, USA, said they got an A+ rating from the BBB, and what do you think? I said, yeah, give them a call. And when I did, they were very prompt, called me right back, called me at 8:30 the next morning and said, can we come over about 1 o'clock about your roof? I said, sure. Said a fellow named Lee will come over. Well, Lee showed up, very professional, very knowledgeable, and I've told several of my friends that it was absolutely the best I've ever had from any kind of a company. Best service, most knowledgeable. I had no qualms about immediately hiring USA Roofing, because we read up on all the different things people have said about them online and all that, and they got just a heck of a reputation. So they showed up. He said 6:30 in the morning. He wasn't lying. About 6:30 this morning, I heard something in my driveway. I said, I think they're here. And sure enough, they were. And they got tarps all around the property. The tear off, you know, everything's on tarps. So far, it looks really good, the job they're doing. They're also going to do my garage. I have a detached garage, and I also have a storage building, and they're going to do both of those also. So I'm pretty pleased right now with what I see.
Well, thank you so much. And after the job, you know, we're also going to get with you, and we'll see how you feel about the look at the end of the job and the cleanup process. And we'll be talking to you again, Mr. Hunter. Thank you so much.
No, thank you.
All right.
You know.